to show you on how to fix Payday 3 invite only not working. So first is we had to talk about the steps to set up a private lobby. First is to go to Play tab and select Heist. Choose your desired heist. Set lobby type to friends only for friends or invite only to play alone. Adjust the difficulty level and hit the match make to create lobby. Once in, open the social menu to access and invite friends. Remember, you have 5 minutes to add everyone before the game starts automatically. Okay, so in this article, we are going to know on how to fix that issue. First one is to recreate the lobby. Sometimes simply leaving the lobby and creating a new one can resolve issues. Next is to restart the matchmaking session. Exiting and re-entering the matchmaking session can resolve issues related to lost connections, providing a fresh start to the gaming experience. Next is to restart the game. A complete restart of the game can rectify any lingering issues and offer a clean slate for players to re-engage with the game. Next is to check the Payday 3 servers. Monitoring the status of Payday 3 servers is crucial, as overloaded servers can be primary cause by matchmaking issues. You might go to options to check if there is any update related to server status. That is, first is a Payday 3 Twitter handle. Something is posted here like the previously announced, as I show you in the picture. Next is to ensure a stable internet connection. Okay, verifying the stability of the internet connection can eliminate connectivity issues and facilitate smooth gameplay. And next one is to install the Payday 3 latest updates. Because regularly updating the Payday 3 game ensures that players have access to the latest features and bug fixes, mitigating the occurrence of matchmaking errors. And the last one is to wait for the official fixes. Patience is key when dealing with the server related issues. Waiting for official fixes from Starbird Studios allows players to benefit from professional solutions and enhancements to the gaming experience. So if you want more information about this one, is you can just visit this website. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.